Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna have a fire alarm test. You can see we're in my bedroom right now. I got my nice exit sign right there. That exit sign shows you this is our exit. This is where we exit from to go outside during a fire drill. Right behind me is my new chime strobe. We're gonna go ahead and give that a run now. So we're gonna test this out, and then I'm gonna show you what's currently outside on the porch. But right now, let's make sure we test this chime strobe. We're gonna make sure it's in working function, and after that, we're gonna see what's on the back porch area. Okay, let's test the chime strobe now. That is in full working order. Now let's check to see what's on the back porch. I think there might have been another chime, but I wonder what that chime was. Let's go see if there's an alarm out here too. There is an alarm out here, guys. Look, there's an alarm right there. Let's test this one. We'll see if this one works. Gotta test it. Make sure that it works. Okay, so we're gonna turn on the alarm again. We're gonna test this one. We're gonna see if this one works. Well, this fire alarm is in good working order too, and that's great. That's exactly what we're looking for. Okay, now that we tested the fire alarms, this concludes the video. Make sure you test your fire alarms at home to make sure that they are in complete working condition. If not, you must replace them. My alarms are in working condition, and that's great. I just got this new one today.